Hi everyone, it's good to have you back. So for today we're making egusi and I'll be showing you one of the ways whereby I make my own egusi. So come along with me. So the first thing I do is to beat my egusi, and in here I have a little bit of onion and a pinch of salt, and I'll be mixing this together just to make some lumps. And while I'm doing that, my water is boiled already and it's time for me to scoop in my egusi. When I'm done, the next is to add in my spices. You could add in any spice of your choice. So for me, I'll be using curry, thyme, and your mixed spice. So what I want to do is to add in all my seasoning as early as possible for it to incorporate properly into the egusi and for it to be well cooked. And after that is to add in Maggi. In here I use just 1 cube of Maggi. You can use any Maggi of your choice, but for me I used no cube. I'll be adding in my grounded crayfish because I want that extra taste. Afterwards, I'll cover it and I like to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. So the next thing I'll be doing is to add in my bell pepper, just 1 bell pepper. And now you can choose to use a bell pepper or you can use paprika as well. Before you add in your salt, always taste whatever you're cooking for you to know the amount of salt you'll be adding. So at this point, what I did is to add in a little bit of red oil to my soup. So you have the option of adding red oil or not. Yeah, and afterwards we'll allow it to cook, and you can see after about 5 to 7 minutes, oh god, this soup it doesn't just smell nice, the taste is awesome. I'm not just saying this because it's my soup, but because of the taste. It's actually so delicious right now. You can add any protein of your choice. It could be beef, it could be tribes, it could be anything, chicken, whatever that suits you. You just add it into your soup and you allow it to cook just like maybe less than 5 minutes, just for you to incorporate the juices from the egusi. So the next thing I need just to add a little bit of bitter leaf to it. You can see just very little of it, not much of it, just a very small handful of bitter leaf. And you can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use spinach, you can use ugu, that's pumpkin leaf, you can use bitter leaf. For me, I just use bitter leaf. You can use uziza leaf, you can use anything of your choice that suits you. And we'll just allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. there you go, your soup is ready. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you're able to learn 1 or 2 things from this video, and don't forget to like, share, and do what? Subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day, and remember, if you can think it, trust me, you can do it. Stay blessed.